Hello everyone and welcome back to Joy As It Flies. If you're new here, my name's Alyssa and I deal with the crochet side of this channel. And for today's tutorial, I wanted to share a quick little hack with you that will help you work out what kind of yarn you have when you don't have a yarn label. If you're anything like me, you probably have a few balls of wool lying around that you've either picked up at a charity shop or maybe they've been gifted to you and they don't have a yarn label. So you have no idea what hook size to use, what kind of yarn it is, or what weight it is. I know how frustrating it is to be in this situation, but don't worry because the solution is really easy. We're going to use something called WPI, or wraps per inch. This is a technique where we'll measure our yarn per inch, and then from there, using a little chart, we'll be able to find out everything about our yarn, from what weight it is to which hook size to use. This little trick has honestly saved me a ton. I really hope it helps you guys, and let's get started. So you're going to need your unidentified yarn and then also a ruler that has 1 inch marked on it, just like this one. If you don't happen to have a ruler though, that's okay. You can use a pen or even your finger that has that measurement marked on it, just like I have here. You really can use whatever you'd like. As long as it has that measurement, you're good to go. We're going to start by wrapping our yarn over 1 inch on our ruler, just like this. So you want to line it up and just wrap it round until you've filled that inch. Now when you're wrapping, take care, don't pull your yarn too tightly. You can see I'm just very gently wrapping it round. I'm not squishing it up too much. If you pull your yarn too tightly and try and stuff as many loops in, it's not going to be accurate. So you can see I've now got all of mine fitting that inch. This is what it looks like. From here, you're then just going to count the loops on your ruler. So I have 9 loops in total. You can also see, I'll show you on the back, they're not twisted, they're not overlapping, just laying completely flat. Once you've counted your loops, we can then go ahead and have a look at this little chart over here, and you'll see that my yarn falls into the weight 4 or medium category because I wrapped it between 9 and 11 times around my ruler. You can also see it's given me a few recommended hook sizes between 5.5 and 6.5 millimeters. I decided to use the 5.5 millimeter and I've worked up a little swatch and this is what it looks like. So you can see the perfect hook size and I know exactly what weight yarn I have. I also tried doing this with some other yarn. You can see this yarn here is much thinner. I wrapped this one a total of 16 times around my ruler. And again, if we have a look at our chart, you can see that this yarn is a weight 2 or fine yarn because I wrapped it between 15 and 18 times around my ruler. And there we are. That's how you find out what kind of yarn you have when you don't have a yarn label. Folks, I really hope this helps you out. If it does, let me know in the comments. I'll see you all again next week in my next tutorial, but until then, happy crocheting!